Hi everybody, I'm Lian Duan. Today we are going to Helm 3 Chart Troubleshooting. The topic I'm going through in these videos are Overview 3-tier application changing, chart files change steps, accumulate chart issues, a demo how to run troubleshooting. After I completed the video, I realized the video is too long. So I have to split the video to two parts. Part 1 will include the topic from 1 to 3. Part 2 will focus on the how to run chart troubleshooting. First topic, overview 3 tiers application changing. In previous videos, I implement functions, pipelines, testing, nodes on my app backend DB Redis chart. Also, I did the same change on my app backend Spring Boot app and my app front-end React app. The 3 charts have same implementation. Above links have my app backend DB Redis chart details. Next, I'll show which might change steps for above 3 charts. First, find the baseline charts. My baseline is V5. V5 is a working version on 3 charts. And my app front-end React app configured dependency for other 2 charts. Above link has chart dependencies information. Why we need the baseline? Because after we change with some defect, we can easily compare the behavior between the baseline and the changing version. Next, create temporary chart file with the same name as target chart name. Because we need to copy test YAML file and underline helpers.tpl file. Also in the temporary chart, give us idea how to implement functions and pipelines in our baseline chart file. Copy files, I'll mention we need the test YAML file and underline helps.tpl file. And then implement the functions and pipelines on template files. Above link has detail. Next step, change the test YAML file. The test file not only used to test your chart status, but also give chart consumer how to use the chart and what chart write behavior. There's a link for chart test YAML file video. Following steps, change nodes. The nodes is a readme file of chart. I'd like to add more detail on the chart nodes file. Because the nodes is a guideline for chart consumer. More detail, more better. Above link has a URL of how to change nodes. Next, I use WinMerge to compile baseline chart file and change chart file to make sure there is not any missing item. After change complete, usually I run Helm install or Helm upgrade with 2 parameters, dirty run and debug, to verify chart files YAML format. If there is no issue, I'll use Helm install or upgrade my chart. And then we'll open browser to run end-to-end testing. This is my chart change steps. Let me install chart V10 version. This is our troubleshooting baseline. The baseline means chart V10 version is working version. Open terminal to log in my Linux box. Open the V10 child folder, my app front-end React app. Run command helm install. Chart name is my app. Chart location is current, so it's dot. Dot means chart in the current folder. Use debug command to print more information. Chart naming space is QA-env. If the naming space is not exist created, wait for all the resources created and then return result. Let's create it. Results created. Based on the notes information, this is ingress link for React app. Let me remote log into my Linux box and test the URL. Open browser. Copy the URL. Let me add one user. Running successfully. My app chart V10 version is a verified baseline version. Following topic is simulate chart issue. Let me clean up Minikube. Start a new one. Let me change the chart file to a simulate chart issue. Open the front-end React ingress YAML file. Change the service port to incorrect. Service port, check the original value. The port number should be 48. I changed it to 47. Let me install chart again with the same command. Install successfully. The debug print, we can see this original right value is 48. We change it to 47. Simulate issue completed. Let me verify in the UI side. Refresh. The issue, unable to connect my React app. Part 1 topic are completed. In part 1 we did review 3 tiers application changing, and then show chart file changing steps. Next, change chart files to a simulated issue. Thanks you for watching the video. I hope it was a help, and it was. Do not forget to like it. If you want to be notified whenever new videos come out, then subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or something was not clear in the video, please post them in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer. Thank you, and see you in the Helm 3 Chart Troubleshooting Part 2.